This homework is due on October the 16th, so you have about 4 days to do it. This is Unit 3 in vocabulary called Wild Ride. Make sure you read it. Here are all of your words. These are the words defined. You will be having a quiz on Friday also, the 23rd. So make sure that you create flashcards for all of these words. Know the synonym, which is the same, and the antonym. It even tells you what part of speech. So for the first item in homework that you will be doing, it states, each of the sentences below has a mistake. The wrong vocabulary words have been used, so the sentences don't make sense. Rewrite each sentence using the correct vocabulary word from this unit. So it says, the EMTs did their best to resuscitate the drowning victim, but it was to no modification. Well, modification is the incorrect word, because when you modify something, you change it. The best way to do it, and make sure that you write this out in a complete sentence. The EMTs did their best to resuscitate the drowning victim, but it was to no avail. So that would be the correct answer. Make sure you rewrite the sentence with the correct vocabulary word. You're going to go through all of these. Then the next one says pick the winner. Circle the word that best fits into the sentence, then write a sentence below that uses the word you didn't pick in a meaningful way. So it says cats are infamous for lowling or hovering about all day while dogs are busy running and barking. Well, cats would be infamous for lowling. That would be kind of laying around all day. So I rewrote a sentence using the word hovering, because lowling is the correct one, or lolling around. So it says, I stated, a helicopter will be hovering over the hospital soon to drop off the injured people from the crash. So I used the word hovering because that was the incorrect word to use. So you're going to go through there and pick those. Then on this one, this is where you match up the synonym and the antonyms. So my little lines here didn't work very well, but I would say that contagious would match up to easily transmittable. Avail would be something that would be to be a benefit, so that would be a straight line. Punish, to chastise, would be a straight line. Bizarre to normal would be a squiggly line because they're opposites. And a benefit to, trying to think here what would be good. Benefit to avail, that would be the same. So you'll go through there and choose your synonyms and your antonyms. Synonyms are a straight line, your antonyms are your squiggly lines. Read the passage below. You'll see that all of the vocabulary words are in there. Then answer the questions. Answer each question below. Don't be afraid to think creatively. And it says, why do you think certain cultures deplore one another? So you need to understand what the word deplore means, and what it means is that when they go against each other. So go ahead and answer that question. If you're a rapper, would you rather be named tedious or preposterous, and why? So you will have to know what those mean. Then it says word breakdown, and you do not have to do this, okay? So I put a big X there because that is something you don't have to do. But I want you to look at this right here. It says there will be an extra 10 points if you include the following. You need to put your full name, so that's your first name and your last name, the date, the period number, who is your teacher, is it Cox or Horvath, and what is your favorite color. So again, this is due on the 16th, And we will be having a quiz that day too. Make sure that you make flashcards, understand the synonym and the antonym for all of the words. If you have any questions, go ahead and talk to either Cox or Horvath. We'd be happy to help you.